I was born ready.
You sure? I take phone calls up there. Anywhere, around 100 to 150. Had a previous customer give us a call and they wanted us to swing by and give them an estimate, so I did yesterday, and she decided she wanted to go ahead and get the work done, so we're going to head over there today and get it all taken care of for her. We're going to go ahead and uplift one maple tree and take out 5 other trees off the property and cut the stumps down low. So we're going to head over there and get them taken care of. Right here, yeah. I want that box set right here where the plywood is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to limb this guy up and elevate it up so she can get some more sunlight here on the ground. And then over here we're going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trees so that more sunlight can come through here and the grass can grow a little bit better here. You ready?
I was born ready.
You sure?
And you still get up there with your earpiece like you're going to take a phone call?
I take phone calls up there.
Yeah.
It's going to do it this way.
Yeah, I mean, I think that looks good.
Yeah. It looks good from the road too.
I
You
don't
just
think
do
I'll
all
ever-
residential, or do you do?
Whoever's willing to pay.
I know.
Whoever's willing to pay.
I know.
Or so you can always ask Caitlin. She'll send you over the guy's number.
Is that expensive?
I mean, probably your stumps. You know, the bigger one, you might be $7,500, and then you know a couple of little ones, you might be $50 here, $50 there. I mean,
7,500?
no, $75.
Oh, I thought it was 7,500.
No.
So that's not that expensive to get
No,
those
it's
ground
just-
down.
Yeah, it's not too bad. For a decent sized stump, yay big, you're anywhere, you know, around 100 to 150, you know, depending on
Okay.
who does it.
Okay. All right. I'll ask her. She's nice.
Right. All right, well, let me get
Okay.
cleaned up here.
Yeah.
this tree all limbed up and cleaned up. Got all these other 5 trees down and taken care of, hauled off. Got all the pine straw nice and touched up again. She'll need to get a couple more bales touched up. But overall, everything looks good. I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all like the content, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.